In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sprint velocity in ClickUp. We'll build a clean, repeatable setup that helps your team see exactly how much work gets done each sprint. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're new to the tool, don't worry. Everything we set up today is straightforward and reusable across future sprints. Create a dedicated Agile space so your sprint work stays separate and organized. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it Agile Projects. When you configure it, make sure lists are enabled. Lists are perfect for managing sprint tasks because they give you a structured, filterable view of everything you plan to deliver. Inside that space, add a folder called Sprint Metrics. Think of this folder as the home for all sprint-related tracking and reporting. Next, create a list called Sprint Tasks. Each item in this list will represent a story or backlog item for the sprint, which keeps your scope clear and measurable. Add your sprint tasks, including features, bug fixes, and small improvements. Keep tasks sized realistically so a single item maps to a single estimate. Clear titles and concise descriptions go a long way. And if your team uses acceptance criteria, include that right in the task details. To make your reporting accurate, add custom fields, story points to quantify effort, assigned developer to capture ownership, status for quick filtering if you prefer, and completion date to record when work is finished. These fields make dashboards far more meaningful and prevent manual spreadsheets later. Track task status using the workflow statuses to do, in progress, and completed. Encourage the team to update statuses daily. This keeps views like board and list accurate and saves time during stand-ups and sprint reviews. Quick note: if you don't already have ClickUp, there's a link at the top of the description to download the desktop app or open the web version. Grab it there so you can follow along. Now, let's monitor sprint velocity. Open ClickUp dashboards and add widgets like completed story points to total the points finished this sprint, and task progress to visualize how items move toward done. As sprints complete, you'll see your velocity trend emerge, which helps with forecasting and capacity planning. The key is consistency. Keep estimates in story points, keep statuses updated, and make sure completed story points reflect truly done work. That's it! You now have a system in ClickUp to track sprint velocity and measure your team's performance efficiently. Thanks for watching.